Never take things from strangers.
Why, Mom?
Because we must stay safe.
It is a beautiful day. Can we go outside?
Yes, we can.
I am ready, Dad.
Take your water.
Okay, Dad.
Never take anything from a stranger.
I will remember.
Good girl.
The park looks beautiful.
Let's play.
Stay with me. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
It sounds like ice cream.
Take this ice cream.
For me?
For me? Yes. It is free.
Mom said no. Dad said it too. Never take things from strangers.
Take it, little girl.
No, thank you.
It is free.
No, thank you.
I cannot take it. Why not?
My parents told me something.
What did they say?
Never take things from strangers.
It is only ice cream.
No, thank you.
You do not want it?
Let's move away. Yes, right now. Stay close to me. Dad, a stranger gave us ice cream.
Did you take it?
No, Dad. He offered us ice cream. Did you take it? No, Mom. You made a safe choice.
I remembered your rule.
I am proud of you.
You did the right thing,
I wanted the ice cream.
but you stayed safe.
Why can we not take it?
We do not know strangers.
I understand.
Tell a trusted adult.
Like you and Dad?
Yes, exactly.
The ice cream is still here.
I do not want it.
All right.
The ice cream looks good. Do not go back. You are right. They remembered our rule.
They made a smart choice.
Safety comes first.
Say no,
Move away.
move away.
Tell an adult. Never take things from strangers. Very good. I will remember.
Now can we play? Yes. Together.
Here is your ice cream.
Thank you, Mom.
Enjoy it.
Here you go, Liam.
Thanks, Dad.
You earned it.
Today I learned a lesson. Me too. Never trust a stranger.
Our children stayed safe.
They remembered our rule.
Safety comes first.
Always stay safe.
Never take things from strangers.
Did you like our story? Please like, subscribe, and share.
Hi everyone. Moral of the story: never take anything from a stranger, even if it is free. Say no, move away, and tell a trusted adult. Simple A2. Stranger, free ice cream. Safe, unsafe, take care, follow, stay, move away. Trust parent, adult, careful, remember rule. Listen, choice protects. Thanks for watching.